here at the Donnie Smith Bike Show in St. Paul, Minnesota at the River Center, and we're talking to a bike build team from Crescent High School. And your name?
Ian Kraski.
Ian, can you tell us a little bit about your bike build?
It's a 1979 Yamaha XS 650. We started this back in, November, you guys? November. Kind of just been working our way out through it. But yeah, it's just an entire blast going through it. We went from just starting out from the frame, cutting it, to just creating a whole new bike out of it. And we created almost everything out of here. We had Jeremy Peterson came down and did all the pinstriping on it. It's really good. Went from the headlight, we created, we completely eliminated all the electronics on it. So now it's just a kickstart and put a little switch on for the light.
Cool. Did you guys do any modifications to the engine?
Actually, no. We kind of left it as is.
All right. Thanks. This is the bike build from Crescent High School.